Hello friends, welcome to our channel Prepare for Bank. I'm excited about this new video on strategy to prepare for reasoning questions in IBPS exam. So friends, let's get started for this video today. In this video we are going to cover the topics for the questions, reasoning questions that will be asked in prelims, mains, and then we'll cover the topic weightage and then strategy to prepare for the reasoning questions. So let's get started. Before we start, friends, I have already created two videos where I have discussed about the IBPS RRB exams and also about the IBPS RRB exam syllabus in detail. So if you are new to this channel or you are new for this exam for IBPS RRB, then you can have a look on this short videos. I will share the link of the videos in the description box. So let's get started with the reasoning questions that will be asked in the preliminary exam. In preliminary exam, there will be 40 questions asked and there will be a composite time of 45 minutes, and this 45 minutes will be shared along with the numerical ability or the quantitative aptitude. So for RRB, the preliminary exams are being conducted for the two posts. One is for the office assistant and the second one is for the officer scale 1. So now move on to the questions for the mains. In mains we have the 40 questions again for the reasoning, and that will be the same for the office assistant, officer scale 1, officer scale 2 and officer scale 3 as well. So these are the number of questions that will be asked in the mains examination. Now let's move on to the topic weightage and we'll see how many questions will be asked in reasonings and what all types of the questions are there. So friends, we can see like the alphanumeric series, the expected questions are 4, right? And likewise I have also given the expected questions based on the previous question papers experience. We have categorized in the number of expected questions. So these are the questions, number of the questions that you may see in the examination question. The actual number of question may vary for from the given this list. So this is a weightage, so you can have a screenshot of this weightage and prepare accordingly. Now let's move on to the strategy how to prepare for the reasoning questions for the IBPS RRB exams. So first, before we start with the strategy, first we need to analyze ourselves or assess ourselves that how much we are prepared for the reasoning questions or the reasoning examination for any competitive exam. So first we'll analyze what are our strengths and what are our weaknesses, and based on the analysis of the topics which we have discussed earlier, all the topics we need to analyze that in which topic we are having a great strength and in which topic we are having weaknesses. Based on this analysis, we need to prepare a daily plan. A daily plan will be a composite of both the strong topic and the weak topic, where we will be giving more time in preparing the weak topics and trying to figure out more tips and tricks which will be helpful in preparing more for the weak topics, so that like all topics become strong for us. Once we have the daily plan ready, that how much time will be allocated for the reasoning preparation, then we'll move on for preparing it, and then on a weekly basis we'll revise our plan and we'll revisit as reassess ourselves that yes, if I have identified that I am weak in 3 topics or 2 topics, then I will see after a week time that where is my position, if I am able to improve or not, or how much percentage of improvement is there. Based on the analysis of revised assessment, we'll again revise our plan for the daily. So weekly analysis is also a very important part in our preparation strategy. Also, we need to give the mock test, as many as mock tests that we will be able to give for the banking examination, that will be helpful in preparing for the actual. And while giving mock test, we need to consider that we have to give this mock test with via laptop or computer, because that will give you the exact feeling of the exam, of the actual exam, where you will be having a screen, and from the screen you will be uh, taking down the question, and then you will be writing it on the paper, or however you are comfortable in solving the question. So instead of uh, taking this mock test via mobile or via some book, that will be not much beneficiary as much as the computer will be beneficiary to give it via computer. So that should be the plan for giving the mock test. And after giving the mock test, now when we should give the exam. So exam, if we have applied already for the IBPS RRB or for the IBPS clerk exam, then I would say that irrespective of your preparation, if you feel that no, I am not prepared, then also don't miss out to give the examination. Be thorough about the topics, be thorough about the topic knowledge, and go for exam. Analyze, assess yourself, that on which topic how many questions are there, what is the difficulty level, and where I am standing on this thing. You, if you are not prepared for the exam, then also go give the exam. In the examination center, you analyze, assess yourself, and assess the examination, so that you will be well prepared for the next upcoming exam for the IBPS PO and SBIs as well. So friend, this should be your strategy right now for preparing for the IBPS RRB or the upcoming exam. And likewise, you need to prepare and analyze and move forward. So if you are having any questions or comments over this video, do mention it in the comment box. I will come up with a new video. Till then friends, take care and prepare well. All the best for your exam. Thank you.